Hi, I'm Brenda Cadman from Bonaccord Creative, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I want to talk about using Canva's frames effect. So let's jump into Canva.
So let me show you how to use the frames effect in Canva. I've just chosen a random image here. This should work on any image or photo that you select to use. So I'm just going to select it and I'm going to click on the effects option here. Now, if this is the first time that you're using the frames effect, you will need to enable it. So I'm going to scroll down here under You May Also Like until I see the frames effect. I'll click on that and then I'm going to choose to connect it to my account. And with that selected, it will now appear up here in the image effect options. I'm going to click on See All, and you'll see a variety of different frames that you can choose from. So I could choose to put this image in a laptop. I could put it on a Polaroid. I could put it into a photo frame. For now, I think what I'll do is I'll just choose a phone. And then when it's selected, you'll see here that there's also some additional options to choose from. In this case, it's just the crop position. And if I move this, this will adjust how the photo appears within that frame. If I want to reset it so it goes back to the way it was as the default, I simply click on Reset. And then when I'm happy with it, I can click on Apply. So this is a fun little feature that Canva has added, and hopefully it will be of use to you in your designing. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials, and if you're looking for a step-by-step introduction to using Canva more efficiently in your business, be sure to check out my Canva 101 mini course.